If you want to eject SIM tray from Motorola Edge 70 Pro, but you do not have the SIM eject tool and you're looking for some alternatives that you can use, then let me just quickly share with you some tips on what you can use. So essentially, we are looking for something that is thin, straight, and sturdy. So that, of course, you can put it into this tiny SIM tray hole over here. And of course, we will have to push it into the phone with a little bit of pressure. So we need to make sure that it doesn't break easily. So pretty much anything wooden is out of the topic straight away. You definitely don't want to use anything wooden because there's a high chance that it will break when you apply gentle pressure. The best tool that you can use is probably a paperclip. The paperclip is pretty similar to the eject tool in general. So you can unfold a small paperclip, so one end is straight, and then you can insert it into the SIM tray eject hole over here. And then once you put it in, just push it into the phone with a bit of pressure, and then the SIM tray is going to slightly pop out, so you should be able to take it out with your fingernails or fingers. And besides that, you can try to use an earring pose. So if you use a plain metal stud earring that doesn't have a hook or decorative end, then you might be able to put it into this hole. You can make sure that it is clean and straight, of course, and you want to insert and press gently, just like in the case of the paperclip. A sewing needle or pin might work as well, because usually these tools are thin as well, so you might be able to put them over here. And you want to hold it steady and press straight in. You want to avoid angled pressure. Also, a mechanical pencil might be a pretty decent choice as well, without lead of course, so you will have to retract the lead, for example. And it only works on some smartphones. On some smartphones you might be able to make it work with this one as well. But you have to just give it a try if you have that and only option. And that is pretty much all. I mean, these are the safest alternative tools that you can probably use. As I said, you don't want to use toothpicks or wooden sticks or anything wooden. And you don't want to use safety pins with rounded ends. You don't want to use any screws or nails. You want to avoid them as well. And anything thick or blunt is not going to work. So once you slightly pop out the SIM tray, then you should be able to use your fingernails or fingers. Just remove the SIM tray from the phone, insert your SIM card and push it back into the phone with your finger. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.